Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Ecoviva Countertop Reverse Osmosis System. So this will give you the benefits of pure water, very low TDS, total dissolved solids in there, with a 5-stage filtration system. So very convenient that you do not need to install this under your counter and do a bunch of different wiring and stuff. This can just be placed right on your countertop. Very convenient, and it's just a really nice thing to have, especially if you live in an area that has poor tasting water or lots of sediment in your water. This can not only it'll be super beneficial for the taste of the water as well as how good it is for you. Okay, so check that out. I believe that feels like glass, like a glass container there, 12,000 milliliters. Got a 304 stainless steel bottom with a glass carafe container there. Okay, this thing is not super heavy. Just take it out of this. Get that out of the way there. So this comes in 2 different colors. And finally, the reveal. Oh, wow. Okay. Quite a handsome little device here, and quite small. So here we have, yeah, the dimensions, not super large. Check out the front of that, though. We have our little information system right there on the front. Here we have our just our nice, this is a 2-liter max water reservoir in the back. A lot of cities have really bad tasting water, and then if you were to actually take like a TDS monitor and actually see like what the total dissolved solids in theirs are, it probably wouldn't be very good. So not only does reverse osmosis make your water taste better, but it's also better for you. What a novel idea. So this is really nice. You can just simply take this over, fill this up at your sink with your regular household water, place this right back on here. I like this has some nice silicone pads on the bottom there, so it's not going to slip around at all. This is quite sturdy. And we just take this off, place it right on there, and that's going to give us our water. Okay, so all we have to do now is basically go test it out and see what we think about it. Okay friends, here we are in the kitchen. I just got some tap water here. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this right back on the back of this, just like that. And we can put our little top on there. Okay, this automatically starts flushing the system. So here is the panel. And this gives you all your little information. We put some fresh water in there, and then it's ready to go. So once the water is put in here, it'll do a little reset flush when you put that back in there. This top can come off. Usually I just take the whole thing off instead of just the top. There we have it, and it's ready to go. It has the source TDS is telling you 51 TDS. Okay, simply press, if you want to get your dispense how much water you want, just press the pure TDS and then press your liter button for how many liters you want. So right up here we have the different filters. Sorry if that's not clear there. Reverse osmosis, and I think that's the carbon filter there. Okay, so now that is running. And we're at TDS is at 3. So very stylish looking. This matches the rest of the stuff in my kitchen quite nicely. We got some cappuccino machine and just kind of the black and stainless steel look here. But yeah. So in a matter of minutes, it's flushing all the bad stuff off. It's super quiet too. You guys can hear that's a low humming sound. couple more minutes and then I can taste this. So if you do have some city water that isn't so good, there's quite a few places where the water is absolutely disgusting. People just drink bottled water, or one of these would make your water taste a lot better. So we're sitting at 2 TDS, which is excellent. Total dissolved solids in there is almost nothing. Okay, and we can see that's a little cloudy in the back. So what it does is filters out the good water, and it kind of kicks back the stuff in the other one for you to dump out and refill. Okay, so let's try this water here, shall we? Okay, you just take the carafe here, and it holds quite a bit, 12,000 milliliters. I believe is. Let's pour ourselves a nice glass of refreshing water there. That is absolutely delicious. No nasty flavors or anything like that. I like how convenient this is. Okay, friends, so final thoughts on this reverse osmosis machine. Just gonna show you real quick how to change out the filters. This top right here is just held on by some little neodyne magnets. Super easy to do. Take your filter like this, open that up, and just pull it out. It's as simple as that. Within seconds. And to put your new filter in, just push it in down and then lock that down, and it locks it into place. It's crazy easy. This thing's very easy to clean. Everything's nice and smooth. Yeah, it's just a very convenient way to enjoy excellent tasting glass of water free from a bunch of nasty stuff in there. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.